Hi, are you ready to start doing this worksheet? Let's start. In the first activity, let's learn the letter of the week. The letter C makes the sound K. Words which begin with the K sound are K, K, cap, K, K, carrot, K, K, cake, K, K, cat. Did you know that you can also ask your child to show you some objects in your house beginning with the K sound? In the second activity, show the different fruits and vegetables you have at home. Later, ask them to tell you the colors of the fruits and vegetables they like. You can also encourage them to wash some vegetables or fruits you will use that day. That is going to be a fun activity for your child, isn't it? In the third activity, we are playing 3 games. In the first game, play a game where you give children some spoons, tumblers, and plates and ask them to make sounds. Can your child notice any difference in sound when a spoon hits a tumbler versus when a spoon hits a plate? In the second game, play a game where you use your hands to drum on the table or on the kitchen slab and ask them if they can see how there is a difference in sound. You can drum on other household objects as well. In the third game, encourage children to listen to different kinds of sounds around them, such as a school bell, cycle bell, scooter or a bike horn, taxi horn, bus horn, police siren, the siren of an ambulance, the siren of a fire engine, etc. Ask children to observe the difference in sounds. Play and learn and have fun.